Hello students, let's see Unit 5 David and Goliath. Activity first, let's read the story and also learn about the David and Goliath. Young David and Goliath Part 1. There lived a young boy named David. A long time ago, he had three older brothers and they were all soldiers in the king's army. David also wanted to be a soldier, but his father wanted him to stay at home and look after his sheep. That means David's father told him to look after about his sheep. Every day, David used to take his father's sheep into the hills while the sheep were grazing. He looked for flat round stones along the river bank or beside the rocks and put them in his bag. Sometimes a hungry lion or an angry bear come to kill the sheep, but David was not afraid. He used to take stone from his bag and put it in his sling. See, every day what happened that when David goes to for sheep grazing in the sense just like a shepherd, he was doing the work of sheep, taking them outside. That sheep they were grazing in the sense what they were eating the grass in the hills area, and obviously when we take some of the animals like sheep and these animals, there are many violent animals are also there. So for the protection of the sheep, he keep with him one weapon that we are talking about, and that is we can see in the picture, right? So he looked for flat round stones along the river bank or beside the rocks and put them in his bag. Sometimes a hungry lion or an angry bear come to kill the sheep. So what happened that sometime hungry lion or angry bear they come near to the sheep to kill them as a part of food. They want to eat sheep, but David was not afraid. He was very much brave. He used to take a stone from his bag and put it in his sling. Sling means what? A very kind of a weapon with which stones are thrown to enemies. Further, I will explain about the sling and its picture, right? He used to brandish the sling in a circle above the head, and the stone flew from it through the air and hit the wild beast. Beast here in the sense, beast in the sense animal, between the eyes and kill it. Brandish means what here? To wave a weapon. I will show you this, the word brandish and sling also through the pictures, right? One day, David's father called him and he told him that their enemies, the Philistines, were marching into Israel. He said, "Leave the sheep, go and find your brothers in the king's army and give them these bags of flour and these letters before they go to fight." So in this second paragraph, David's father called and said about enemies of the Philistines and also send the bags of flour and some letters before they go to fight. Here keywords are also given. You can see graze in the sense what? To eat grass in the fields, brandished, to wave a weapon, sling, a kind of weapon with which stones are thrown to enemies, march, a walk of soldiers with same speed and movement. Okay, let's see further. Activity second. Look at the first paragraph of the story above. Find the word brandish. Can you guess its meaning? Brandishing is an action. Discuss with your friend what it could be and draw a picture of David brandishing the sling in a circle above his head. Here you can see the picture of one boy. You can see the picture of a boy, full picture here. he has a bag, and in his right hand you can see the sling, a plaything which has a Y shaped stick with elastic between. There is a elastic between that, right? The arms used to shoot stones. And brandishing here in the sense, in what sense? He is what we say, wave the weapon round and round and then throw it. The between the elastic there is a flat stone, right? That is thrown directly to that beast, right? Here is a picture, you can see. I hope you understood this part of the chapter. Thank you.